This time around, you led by as much as you did, and you were able to hold on to this victory. So ano masasabi mo sa pinakita ng mga girls this afternoon?
Very proud because it's all team effort talaga from offense to defense. Meron kami mga miscues on our defense, then we adjusted, and one hell of a game by Bridget and Karim. Salute talaga dito sa dalawa.
Thank you very much. Bridget, you had a career high 27 points, 4 assists, and 2 steals in 31 minutes. So ano man sabi mo na yun lang? May isa pang chance ba kayo na manalo and ma-retain yung championship?
Sabi ko lang po,
Sige lang, ito lang.
na-text ko pa kagabi.
Saan po na?
O sige. Sige, go muna. Career high, 80 points again, 2 rebounds, 1 steal, in 30 minutes of action. So, yun nga, backs against the wall scale, pero this time, pero ito ngayon, nanalo kayo, may kasa pa kayong manalo championship. So, ano man sabi sa pinakita nyo this afternoon?
Siyempre, una po sila. Nagtulungan lang po kami kung paano namin may stop yung game. And yun nga,